Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered how to make your writing more engaging and impactful? Well, let me introduce you to DAFOREST, a powerful tool to enhance your writing skills. DAFOREST is an acronym for direct address, alliteration or anecdote, facts or statistics, opinions, rhetorical questions or repetition, emotive language or exaggeration, speaking directly, and the rule of three. Each component has its unique way of adding depth and persuasion to your writing. DAFOREST is a perfect tool to make your writing more persuasive and engaging. Now that you know what DAFOREST stands for, let's delve deeper into each element. Firstly, we have direct address. This is where you speak directly to the reader, creating a sense of camaraderie and involvement. Imagine you're writing a persuasive letter. By using you and you're making the reader feel directly involved in your message. Next, we have alliteration and anecdotes. Alliteration, the repetition of initial consonant sounds, can make your writing catchy and memorable. Think of tongue twisters we all love. Anecdotes, on the other hand, are brief stories or examples related to the topic. They make your writing more relatable and engaging. Facts and statistics come next in line. These can be used to support your arguments or claims. By incorporating hard facts or surprising statistics, you lend credibility to your points. This is particularly useful in debates or essays where you need to convince your audience of a particular viewpoint. Opinions form the O of DAFOREST. By sharing your personal opinions, you make your writing more personal and relatable. Whether you're writing a blog post or an opinion piece, expressing your viewpoint can engage your readers. Rhetorical questions and repetition are next. Rhetorical questions make your audience think, and repetition emphasizes your important points. This can be particularly effective in speeches or persuasive writing. Emotive language and exaggeration are the E of DAFOREST. Using emotive language stirs your audience's emotions, making your writing more dramatic and impactful. Exaggeration can also be used to emphasize a point or create a dramatic effect. Speak directly is the second S in DAFOREST. This is similar to direct address, but here you're not just engaging your reader, you're commanding their attention. And finally, the rule of three. This principle suggests that a trio of events or characters is more humorous, satisfying, or effective than other numbers. Think of the three little pigs or the three musketeers. These elements of DAFOREST can be used in any genre and type of writing to make it more compelling. You might be wondering, why is DAFOREST so important? Well, let's dive into that. DAFOREST, my friends, is a powerful tool that makes writing more persuasive and engaging. It's a secret sauce that can spice up your words, making them irresistible to readers. Think about it, a dish might be good on its own, but with the right seasonings, it becomes a culinary masterpiece. DAFOREST helps you clarify your points, making your arguments more compelling. It's like a compass guiding your readers, allowing them to follow your thought process with ease. It brings clarity, which is a powerful attribute in effective communication. But it's not just for the budding writers among us. Oh no, these techniques are used by professional writers and speakers. They employ DAFOREST to captivate audiences, to persuade and to inspire. So if you've ever wondered why some speeches or articles resonate with you, it's probably because they've effectively used DAFOREST. So with DAFOREST, you can elevate your writing from good to great. Now that you've learned about DAFOREST, it's time to put it into practice. Unleash the power of these techniques in your next piece of writing. See how it transforms your work, breathes life into your words. Share your experiences, your results, your discoveries in the comments section. We're eager to hear how DAFOREST has revolutionized your writing journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. Stay curious and keep writing.